Good day. My name is Edet Iwebaffa Amos. I'm here to speak on the evaluation of botanical extract on leaf blight disease of sunflower, Helianthus annus, caused by Alternaria helianthi. Sunflower Helianthus annus belong to the family Asteraceae. Sunflower plant is the fifth oilseed crop in the world and account for 8% of oilseed produced worldwide. Sunflower consists of tocopherol and phytosterol for human food market, while the leaves has been reported to be used as for medicinal uses in Nigeria, especially in treating malaria and other related diseases. Sunflower is attacked by many plant diseases, which reduces the yield and quality, especially fungi diseases. Alternaria helianthi, a fungi pathogen, was implicated to be the cause of Alternaria leaf blight found worldwide on sunflower. The symptoms of Alternaria leaf blight include rough circular gray center, dark brown to purple borders, and frequently surrounded by chlorotic halos that coalesce to form a blight with severe lesions and defoliation on the plant. This has imposed a great constraint to the quality and yield of sunflower produced worldwide. Sunflower Alternaria leaf blight disease has been controlled by chemical fungicides. However, it has been implicated by its health risks, such as bioaccumulation and exposure hazard. Hence, the need for alternative fungicides that are healthy, affordable, and environmental friendly to farmers. Indigenous botanical extract, a cost-effective fungicide, environmentally friendly as compared to the conventional chemical fungicide, needs to be understudied to fill this lacuna. Although there has been little or no information about the use of botanical extracts to control Alternaria leaf blight on sunflower in southwest Nigeria. Hence, the need for evaluation of plant extract bioefficacy on sunflower plant against Alternaria leaf blight disease. Hence, the objective is to determine the effect of botanical extract using a synthetic fungicides, 12% carbendazim and 68% mancozeb, to control the incidence and severity of Alternaria leaf blight disease in the natural field condition. The laboratory study, disease leaf samples were collected and sterilized in 10% sodium hypochlorite for 1 minute. The affected leaf samples were plated on a potato dextrose agar following the use of the manufacturer specification. The plates were cultured and pure cultures were obtained from single spore isolation, and it was multiplied and also stained for morphological identification. Preparation of the extracts. Fresh leaves of melina, neem, and goatweed plants were collected and air-dried for 7 days. The dried leaves were crushed into powder form using electric blender and bottled in airtight container. A total of 200 grams of the leaf powder was weighed into 200 ml of distilled water and was allowed to stay for 72 hours to obtain the sap. A total of 400 ml of the sap was diluted with 600 ml of distilled water, and 5 drops of 20 was added and mixed before spraying on the plant with 1 liter hand sprayer using the method of Zurek 2021. The plated Alternaria leaf blights gotten from the sunflower were influxed with 10%, 20%, 30%, and 40% of the sap, the botanical extract sap, to see if it causes a reduction or a decline in their growth. It was, however, found that it does it, and that is why we have extended the use to go into the fields on the natural condition to use the leaf blight, to use the extract to see if it can control a natural field condition. Disease evaluation was done according to Zhu et al. 2012 using the scale, and data analysis were taken using analysis of variance at 0.05 significance, using, and means of treatments were separated using the new Duncan multiple ring test. Disease progression. The unsprayed plots were found to be more of the disease, to show us that there is presence of the disease in the farm. The sprayed plots, however, in the sprayed plots, there were a lot of reduction, as we can see from the table, from table 1. There are a lot of this from the unsprayed plots. There were significant growths of the disease, but using the goat wheat and the botanicals, the 3 botanicals, it was found that the 3 botanicals show a decline in the disease in the field condition, along with the synthetic fungicide, to show that this, and in the disease severity, we discovered that it was found that the unsprayed plot had progressional increase in the disease, but on the plots treated with the leaf extract, we found that there was a decline in the disease, and the leaves, when the plant height was observed to be increased in the plant treated with the botanical extract. As from the table, you see that there was high growth, there was high plant height in the goatweed plot, melina plot, and the neem oil plot. This shows that, and looking at the leaf area measurements, we discovered that there were more leaf area in the treated plots than the unsprayed plots. From this study, we could conclude that Alternaria leaf blight disease spread when plots are not treated, leading to an increase in disease infection and decline in crop productivity. But in the treated plots of the botanicals show that they are very effective as compared to the synthetic fungicide in the control of Alternaria level. And this possibility should be investigated from the botanical for their active ingredients, so that our farmers could use an environmental friendly leaf extracts to control diseases. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.